Are you also capturing your leads from LinkedIn and you want to sync these leads to your CRM so that you do not miss any of these leads? Then this automation is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a connection between LinkedIn and GoHighLevel in such a manner that whenever you receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the lead details are added to your GoHighLevel. If you also want to learn how you can create this setup for your business, then let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect LinkedIn to GoHighLevel in such a manner that whenever there is a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a contact or a lead is created in GoHighLevel. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. I'm going to create the workflow from the scratch. Name this workflow as automatically send LinkedIn leads to GoHighLevel CRM, and now I'm going to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as LinkedIn automations and then click on create. Here workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a contact is created in GoHighLevel, which means whenever I receive a new lead from LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking LinkedIn, and the trigger event, I am going to select lead notification and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with LinkedIn. Connection created successfully. LinkedIn is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the sponsored account. In this drop down, you can see all the sponsored account which we have. I'm going to open my LinkedIn and show you that I'm working on this Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select the same account. After selecting this, we have to click save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do that, I'm going to open my LinkedIn and do a form submission. As soon as I do this form submission, all the details should be received in this workflow. Now I'm going to open this, and you will see that I will be landed towards the lead gen form. I will be generating a lead from this lead gen form, and as I'm running a campaign which is in default mode, I get to fill only few fields. Let's click on this apply now. So as I said, we have these two fields, email address and the phone number, and then we have this first name, last name, company, which are auto-filled. So when you will be running a live campaign, your leads will get to fill all the fields. So here I'm going to enter these details, like I'm going to enter my email address as test4536@pabblydudes.com. Then I'm going to enter the phone number here, which is this one, and then we have the rest of the details, and then the form submission is done. Let me open my workflow and check whether I received these details or not, and this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine or not. Let's wait for the webhook response here. Here 10 seconds ago, I have received the response. The email address is test4536@pabblydudes.com. This is the phone number. The first name is Pabbly, last name is this, and the company name is Magnet Brain Software Tech Private Limited. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to my GoHighLevel. So I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I am going to search for lead connector V2. In the action event, I'm going to select create contact and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with lead connector v2. So here I have to log into my existing account. So I have my GoHighLevel account. I have already logged in my GoHighLevel account, and we have to make sure that we log into our account, and then we have to select the sub account. So I'm going to select the sub account as Pabbly Connect, which I have already selected in GoHighLevel, and here it is, connection created successfully. GoHighLevel is connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the details. I'm not going to enter the details manually, instead I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter slash, go towards this LinkedIn, enter the first name, then I'm going to enter the last name as this, and then I'm going to enter the full name. If you want to enter this, you can do that. I have already entered the first name and the last name separately, so I'm going to skip it. We have the email address which I have entered. I have also received the phone number, so the phone number was this one, and then we have the company name. So over here in this field we have this company name. I will map that. I have skipped the rest of the fields because I have not received the response for these fields. You can enter following the same process of mapping if you have received the response. I'm going to keep the rest of the fields as default only, but if you want to change, you can change it and enter reading the help desk given below these fields. Over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. After entering all these details, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. Here we have received the response, and this response is the positive one. Let me open my GoHighLevel. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to open the contacts. And here it is, we have created this Pabbly dot. So the first name which we entered was Pabbly. This is the last name. Then we have the email address test4536@pabblytudes.com, and then we have this phone number with the rest of the details which we have selected while creating this contact. And this is how we have built the connection between LinkedIn and GoHighLevel using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.